Welcome to Trendsight Academy, your go-to channel for unlocking the power of AI, tech, business trends, and personal growth. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as profound as it is practical: unleashing self-awareness through meditation techniques. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, most of us are on autopilot. We scroll through our phones like zombies, answer emails in our sleep, and wonder why we feel disconnected. But what if I told you there's a way to hit the pause button and truly know yourself? That's where meditation comes in. Meditation isn't just about sitting cross-legged and humming Om. It's a scientifically backed method to sharpen your mind, understand your emotions, and gain clarity about who you really are. So let's break down 3 powerful meditation techniques that can boost your self-awareness. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Let's start with the classic, mindfulness meditation. This technique is all about living in the moment. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and focus on your breath. When thoughts pop into your mind, and trust me they will, simply acknowledge them without judgment and return your focus to your breathing. It's like training a puppy. Your mind will wander, but gently guide it back. With practice, you'll start to notice patterns in your thoughts and emotions, which is the first step to self-awareness. 2. Body scan meditation. Ever feel like you're just a floating head, totally disconnected from your body? Body scan meditation fixes that. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and slowly bring your attention to each part of your body, from your toes to your head. This technique helps you identify tension and stress you didn't even realize you were carrying. It's like running a software scan for bugs, but for your body and mind. 1. Loving kindness meditation, metta meditation. Now here's a heartwarming one. Loving kindness meditation focuses on cultivating compassion for yourself and others. Start by silently repeating phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe." Then extend these wishes to others, your loved ones, acquaintances, and even people you have conflicts with. This practice not only boosts empathy, but also reveals any hidden grudges or self-criticism, helping you become more self-aware of your emotional landscape. Final thoughts. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind, it's about understanding it. Through mindfulness, body scans, and loving kindness practices, you'll uncover layers of yourself you never knew existed. So what are you waiting for? Start with just 5 minutes a day, and watch your self-awareness grow like a well-watered plant. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Trendsight Academy for more insights on personal growth, AI, tech, and business trends. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and share your meditation experiences in the comments below. Let's grow and learn together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay mindful, stay curious.